the future of construction, sustainability, technology, and innovation. Hello and welcome to our latest video on the future of the construction industry. Today, we'll be exploring the exciting aspects of sustainability, technology, innovation, and the challenges that lie ahead. So, let's dive right in. 1. Sustainability. First, let's talk about sustainability. As the world becomes more environmentally conscious, the construction industry is adapting to meet these demands. In 2024, we can expect to see a rise in eco-friendly projects, with consumer demand driving companies to incorporate renewable energy technologies and greener materials into their projects. The goal is to minimize greenhouse gas emissions and reduce the environmental impact of construction. 2. Technology. Next up, technology. The construction sector is poised for enhanced safety and efficiency with the rise of connected construction sites, safety drones, construction robots, and wearable sensors. These digital tools are helping to make data-driven decisions and revolutionize the industry. 3. Innovation. Innovation is key to building a more resilient, efficient, and sustainable future. From 3D printing and exoskeletons to the strategic use of robotics and AI, each trend presents a unique opportunity to revolutionize how we approach construction. Off-site construction, for example, is speeding up building assembly and offering more flexibility in design, while AI and machine learning are improving safety, productivity, and quality in construction projects. 4. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is playing a significant role in the construction industry's digital transformation. By leveraging AI, construction companies can optimize their operations, reduce costs, and improve safety. For instance, AI can be used for predictive maintenance, resource optimization, and risk management. However, there are also challenges such as incomplete data, high initial costs, and data and knowledge acquisition issues that must be addressed to fully realize the potential of AI in construction. 5. 3D printing. 3D printing is revolutionizing the construction industry by allowing for faster, more efficient, and more cost-effective construction. This technology is particularly useful for creating complex structures and custom designs. However, there are also challenges such as material limitations and the need for specialized equipment and training that must be addressed to fully realize the potential of 3D printing in construction. 6. Drones. Drones are transforming the construction industry by providing aerial views of construction sites, conducting land surveys, and monitoring equipment. They offer significant benefits in terms of safety, efficiency, and cost savings. However, there are also challenges, such as federal aviation and zoning regulations, that must be addressed to fully realize the potential of drones in construction. 7. Collaboration. Collaboration is crucial for the success of digital transformation in the construction industry. By adopting shared data environments and intuitive tools, construction companies can improve collaboration between subcontractors, suppliers, and field and office workers. This leads to more effective project management and better decision-making. In conclusion, the future of construction is bright, and it's up to us to harness these advancements and pave the way for a smarter, more innovative industry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the latest trends and innovations in the construction industry. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other content on future technology and innovation. And don't forget to follow us on social media for more updates and insights.